Moles, also known as nevi, are common skin growths that can appear on various parts of the body. They are typically brown or black in color and can vary in size and shape. The formation of moles is primarily influenced by genetic factors, but other factors such as sun exposure and hormonal changes can also play a role. The exact mechanism of mole formation is not completely understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic predisposition and the interaction of skin cells called melanocytes. Melanocytes are responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin, hair, and eyes. Here's a general process of how moles form. Melanocyte clusters. During embryonic development, melanocyte cells may cluster together instead of spreading out evenly in the skin. This clustering leads to the formation of a mole. Melanocyte activation. Factors like exposure to ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun or hormonal changes can activate melanocytes within a cluster. This activation causes the melanocytes to produce more melanin, resulting in pigmented moles. Migration and growth. Activated melanocytes can migrate deeper into the skin, forming a nevus. Over time, the mole can grow in size and may even change in color or texture. The specific reasons why moles form are not entirely clear. However, genetic factors are thought to be the primary underlying cause. Some people may inherit genes that predispose them to develop more moles than others. Additionally, certain types of moles, such as dysplastic nevi, have been associated with an increased risk of developing melanoma, a type of skin cancer. Sun exposure is also believed to play a role in mole formation. Intense or prolonged exposure to UV radiation can stimulate the growth and activation of melanocytes, leading to the formation of new moles or changes in existing ones. This is why it's important to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by using sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and seeking shade when necessary. It's worth noting that while most moles are harmless, it's important to monitor them for any changes in size, shape, color, or texture. If you notice any concerning changes or have a new mole that looks different from others, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist for a thorough evaluation.